YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day. And इसमें फिर what I want to ask now is कि how can people make money through these side hustles? तो आप एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो कि अगर कोई एक यंग 18 to 24 ईयर ओल्ड है तो क्या क्या साइड हसल्स कर सकते हैं, कितना चार्ज कर सकते हैं स्टार्टिंग में, कितना पैसा एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं स्टार्टिंग में अगर
डिफरेंट फील्ड्स हैव डिफरेंट आउटकम्स टू इट. सबसे पहले लेट्स डिस्क्राइब कि आप एक फील्ड पे एंट्री भी कैसे मारेंगे. यू हैव टू बिकम अ स्टूडेंट फॉर 30 days. तो आपको लेट्स से डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में घुसना है या वीडियो एडिटिंग में घुसना है या कंटेंट क्रिएशन में घुसना है, whatever else it is, which is not a highly specialized field. You can't be like कि मैं CEO मेरे को डॉक्टर भी बनना है, वो मुमकिन नहीं है. But most fields are at least available for your disposal. You will start by picking up online courses. आप पहले YouTube से शुरू करिए जो फ्री में आपको अच्छे से कंटेंट देगा, बट देर इज ओनली सो मच दैट यू कैन गो विद फ्री कंटेंट. सो देन यू स्टार्ट पिकिंग अप सम कोर्सेज. आप ऑनलाइन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में जाइए, आप कॉर्सेरा में जाइए, यूडेमी में जाइए, वहाँ पिक करिए. जॉइन फोरम्स, रेडिट के फोरम्स को ज्वाइन करिए, फेसबुक ग्रुप्स को ज्वाइन करिए, ट्विटर पे ग्रुप्स होंगे उसको ज्वाइन करिए. हैंग अराउंड विद दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल, हैव कॉन्वर्सेशंस की यार क्या चलता है, कौन सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, किधर हैं, क्या है, वगैरह वगैरह. फिर इंटर्नशिप्स, फ्रीलांसिंग करना शुरू करिए. Do it for free because there is no pressure for you to earn money from it because आपकी एक day job है which is giving you financial stability. That is what the most important thing and the role of that job is. And after a month, just ask yourself, मज़ा आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? Am I enjoying it? Does it feel like I would enjoy? Feel like लोग अच्छे हैं, काम अच्छा है, बातें अच्छी होती हैं, so on. And if the answer is yes, continue. If the answer is no, drop and move to another field. So keep dating fields before you find out who is it that you really want to get into a long-term relationship with. Let's assume that you get into a long-term relationship with any field. So it is always going to be a function of कि आप किस इंसान के लिए क्या value provide कर रहे हैं. So one big thing, Kushal, that people don't understand is आपका काम exactly same हो सकता है, but you will be paid differently because वो काम किसी इंसान के लिए अलग मायने रखता है और किसी इंसान के लिए अलग मायने रखता है. Here's an example. If you go and pick up, say, subtitling because you're really good with Hindi and English as a side gig. If you do subtitling for a new Instagram creator or new YouTube creator, you're not going to make a lot of money. And the simple reason is not because आपका स्किल अच्छा नहीं है, it is because उस इंसान के लिए वो सबटाइटलिंग प्रोसेस अभी वैल्यूबल नहीं है. वो तो अभी अपनी नींव बना रहा है, अभी कंटेंट ही एक्सप्लोर कर रहा है, एंड सो ऑन. बट द एग्जैक्ट सेम रोल इफ यू वर टू डू इट फॉर नेटफ्लिक्स इज एट अ कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट लेवल. इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि नेटफ्लिक्स बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है, इसलिए बिकॉज उनके लिए सबटाइटलिंग एक बहुत वैल्यूबल प्रोसेस है. इट हेल्प्स देम रीच एन ऑडियंस दैट दे डोंट हैव द एबिलिटी टू. अगर वही सबटाइटलिंग आप कुशल या अंकुर के लिए करेंगे, इट इज़ वैल्यूबल क्योंकि वी वांट टू रीच टू अ सर्टेन ऑडियंस, मेक आवर ऑडियंस, आवर कंटेंट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिबल एंड सो ऑन. तो इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड फॉर समबडी टू गेट एन आंसर कि यार इस जॉब में कितनी पे मिलती है. द राइट क्वेश्चन टू आस्क इज कि किस इंसान के साथ काम करके मैं ज़्यादा वैल्यू क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ. तो इफ़ यू आर अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर and you're working for a SEO agency, you will never make a lot of money. क्योंकि उनके लिए content is commoditized. They use content for SEO, which is stuff it with keywords, make some coherent sense of it. And today ChatGPT can frankly do a fairly good job of that. लेकिन अगर आप वही content writing को उठा के ghost writing में convert करेंगे कि आप CXOs के लिए किताबें लिख रहे हैं, तो वो तो बेइंतहा पैसे देने के लिए तैयार होंगे. Because they need somebody to translate what's there in their mind to written form, which is immensely hard in their head. So the same skill, the same profession will pay differently depending on where you find value. And that is the beauty of side gigs. Side gigs में ना आप constrained नहीं होते हैं कि आप कहाँ जाएं. आप कहीं भी जा सकते हैं. डे जॉब में आप constrained होते हैं because manager dictate कर रहा है, कंपनी के goals, targets, blah, blah, blah. But when you have a freelancing gig, you then choose what you wish to do and how you wish to do it. And that will make all the difference. I'll give you a very simple example, which is very recent. Make Epic Money has not been written by me. because I have created so much content on personal finance that I don't have to sit down and write a book. I used two ghostwriters, Elaine and Annabelle, whose job was sit down with all of my videos, get all of that content, and then start writing it into a written word. Do it over a period of 2 to 3 months. And then I will sit with you to edit it in the way that I wish my book is to be written. But you will do the hard work of that. Now, Annabelle has, I used to work with her at Nearby. She was the head of our social media content. She has been an editor with Times of India for nearly a decade. And she has a day job which is around writing, but a day job that AI is slowly taking away from her. She knew it. She's written this book, which is a great experience. It's gone on to become the bestseller of the year and blah, blah, blah. So only last week, we were having a chat and I was like, you know what? You should really get into ghostwriting books for CXOs. उनके पास टाइम नहीं है, उनको बहुत कुछ पता है. And there is a social status in India to publish a book. उनकी किताब bestseller नहीं बनेगी, लेकिन just the fact that they are published author means a lot. तुम वो कर सकती हो. तो तुम्हारे पास दो ऑप्शन है. ये जॉब तुम्हारी खत्म हो गई है, तुम ऐसी एक और जॉब ढूंढ लो, या तुम एक्चुअली अपने कंटेंट राइटिंग को हाई वैल्यू पे जाओ एंड अपस्ट्रीम जाओ. सो शी रोट सम कोल्ड ईमेल्स टू पीपल and lo and behold, last week itself, she closed a ghostwriting gig for a CXO at a big 4 company for 4 lakhs. And that book is going to be written in like 3 months. So technically, she now earns 12 lakhs, completely in control of her time, writing books for others. And I am very sure कि अगर ये 1 साल और 2 साल उन्होंने कर लिया, then she could go to a level where she could be charging 10 lakhs for a book. Because CXOs will be like, please take my money. मुझे अपने नाम की एक किताब छापनी है और मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है. And it's such a great niche to be in. But how did that happen? It's simply because she went up the value stream. While she could have any day got another job जो उसको 50-60 हज़ार रुपए महीने के देता.
Fair. In fact, like I'll also be transparent, and we also, when I wrote my second book with Ishan,
I remember.
Unlocking
I
Unicorn
remember.
Secrets. So we'd also like leveraged an expertise of a ghostwriter, and we had paid 2.5 lakhs, and that was a 1.5 months gig.
Yeah.
And that time I was thinking, I mean, this also like this side gig or this profession. She was also doing a full time job,
Yeah.
by the way. तो मैंने यही सोचा कि दिस इज समथिंग विच इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ गुड साइड गिग फॉर अदर पीपल. अगर वो लोग हेल्प कर सकते लाइक एस्टेब्लिश्ड क्रिएटर्स, एस्टेब्लिश्ड लाइक CXOs एंड ऑल, उनको घोस्ट राइटिंग में हेल्प करने से. बट जस्ट सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग ऑन दिस टॉपिक, एंड इफ यू आर ओके sharing, I think there was a controversy which happened because of this on social media, if I'm not wrong. Like one girl posted on LinkedIn that she wrote a book for you, first two
So
books.
Nishtha wrote my first 2 books, which was Do Epic Shit and Get Epic Shit Done. I don't know what the controversy was because she basically said that I wrote the book. And I was like, yes, you wrote the book. And then people were like, oh, अंकुर भाई को ने अपनी किताबें नहीं लिखी हैं. तो like, yeah, well, welcome to the concept of ghostwriting, which I wish you knew. So I think people just discovered ghostwriting as a concept.
Probably.
But all of my books, of course, have that declaration that it's been written by someone else. But the only ones who were shouting were the ones who hadn't read my book. So totally okay. Very
Got
fair.
it. Yeah, मतलब even I mean, if I'm also writing my third book, and I'm going to leverage like someone who's going to help me
course.
write, because I mean I don't have the bandwidth to write the entire thing, and which is okay. I don't think
No,
that is,
for me, I think the main thing is कि आप अगर content create कर रहे हैं, which is certainly something that I do, then curating that content and compiling it into a book should not be my job.
Right.
Because that's not the best use of my time. I have spent my time creating that content in the first place, and now somebody's just gathering that.
Fair.
And I think that creates the collaboration that it is. Just even if you write a book, there's somebody who's helping you edit the book, somebody who's designing the cover for you, somebody who's giving you thoughts around how the book should be structured. That's how the world functions. Like, why would you want to do everything on your own when you're not an expert?
I agree. So आपने अभी बताया कि घोस्ट राइटिंग से like the colleague that you mentioned, she was able to crack a 4 lakhs deal for a 3 months period. तो you also mentioned that it depends on कि आप किसके साथ काम कर रहे हो, वैल्यू कितनी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो. But assuming let's say your example only, okay. So if let's say a third year student or a graduate now comes with different kind of expertise. Let's say subtitling एक हो गया, content writing एक हो गया, research एक हो गया, video editing एक हो गया, graphic designing एक हो गया. How much they can expect on a maybe per project basis या तो per month basis if they can work with the best creators?
Sure, I'll give you ballparks. I'm glad you asked this in the best creator वाला thing. Best creator तो नहीं बोलूँगा अपने आप को, but somebody who's able to pay or at least has that scale that they're able to. I'll give you what we pay. Subtitling, we pay anywhere between 90 to 100 rupees a minute, which is...
Rupees a minute?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Which is the going rate in the market, by the way, right? So it is... so our monthly subtitling cost will be anywhere between 50,000 to a lakh, because that's the kind of content that we are creating. तो ये रहेगा. From a graphic designing perspective, we have people on roles or stipend. तो हम project basis पे नहीं करते हैं. But if I had to pay somebody for a project basis, we were, for the example, memes वाला thing, we were paying 3,000 rupees per meme. And there were people who were, क्योंकि वो इतने अच्छे meme creator थे, that they were making 9,000 to even 15,000 rupees from us, क्योंकि उन्हीं की meme select हो रही थी. हम हफ्ते में हम 3 मीम्स डालते थे, तो महीने की हमारी 12 मीम्स होती थी, तो 36,000 रुपए का हमारा वो बजट आउटले था. एंड देवर सम क्रिएटर्स जो उस 36 में से 15,000 रुपए ले जा रहे थे, बिकॉज इट इज सो गुड एंड समहाउ दे वर द वंस दैट डिड दैट. सो इवन समथिंग एज रिडिकुलस तो नहीं, बट समथिंग एज फ्लिपेंड एज मीम क्रिएटर, कि अगर आप अपने माँ पापा को बोलेंगे कि मैं मीम क्रिएटर बनना चाहता हूँ, तो दो थप्पड़ी मारेंगे. लेकिन उससे भी आप बैठे 15,000 रुपए कमा सकते हैं फॉर वेरी लिटिल ऑफ एटलीस्ट टाइम. ऑफ कोर्स क्रिएटिव आउटपुट इज अ लॉट मोर. Video editing, which is very important for creators such as us, we for our courses, I think we pay between 15 to 30,000 rupees per course, and if it is a short form or a reel, we would pay anywhere between 1,500 to 5,000 rupees
per reel,
per shot, depending on कि उनकी एडिटिंग क्वालिटी कितनी अच्छी है, उनका एक्सपीरियंस कितना अच्छा है.
And by courses you mean long form video?
Long form, right? जिसमें एडिटिंग इतनी नहीं होती है, but there's like an intro, there's an outro. You just have to stitch it together, but there are no movements as such, because it's just like a delivery. मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, तो which is what we do on WebVeda. So those courses are slightly easier to edit, even though they are very long. But they are slightly easier to edit.
By the way, just on a separate note, I've taken both the courses, YouTube and Instagram.
Oh, okay.
And I loved it completely.
I'm so happy to hear that. I'm so happy to hear that. कुशल को पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे बोलने के लिए.
Of course, yeah. I mean, I did it because I was taking a master class at a B school on content creation.
Okay.
On YouTube and Instagram.
Okay.
And I thought this will be like one of the best courses. And Shaurya, who taught the analytics chapter, Shaurya Shikhar, I mean, I just loved the way he explained pura analytics and all.
He's a rock star, right? So, and Shaurya has spoken about this a lot. जो हमारा वो बारीक्रू का एक वीडियो भी हमने शूट किया था, जिसमें कौन कौन से लोग क्या क्या बना रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट आप वो चेक आउट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज हमारी पूरी टीम में फ्रीलांसिंग के थ्रू हमारे टीम मेंबर्स सिर्फ वारिक्रू से ही नहीं, विच इज द नेम ऑफ माई टीम, बट ऑल्सो बाकी गिग से कितना कितना कमा रहे हैं, जस्ट रिडिकुलस. सो शौर्य इज मेकिंग अपवर्ड्स ऑफ 10 lakhs a month doing what he does, and he's 24. Like it's just wild कि you can make that. Like उसके कॉलेज की एवरेज प्लेसमेंट पूरे साल की इतनी नहीं है जितना वो एक महीने में कमाता है.
I agree. Yeah. So coming back, so video editors, you said 1,500 to 5,000 per reel.
1,500.
जो आपके 25-30 minutes के videos होते हैं, तो वो उनका
so we've never actually used anyone for that. So Piyush हमारा जो long form editor है, he's on the roll, so he just does that for like. But if you asked me how much would I be willing to pay, I would say anywhere between 5 to 10,000
per video.
Okay. Per video. 5 to 10,000 per video. There is audio engineering, जो हमारी टीम में शिवम करता है.
Sorry, what does that mean?
Oh, so audio engineering is, this will be the raw format. इसको वैसे ही edit करना है जैसे एक video भी edit होता है. So taking out all the highs and lows, making sure that it has a certain base, it has a certain consistent throughput to it, मैंने कुछ ऐसे जाके कर दिया तो वो उसको हटाना, बहुत दूर चला गया तो बहुत फीबल हो गई है उसको ठीक करना. सो इट्स क्रेजी हाउ आई डिडंट इवन रियलाइज कि ये कितना ज़रूरी है. And Shivam, to his credit, and this is by the way a great way to get a freelancing gig.